Hello and welcome back to the Life Blowup Prevention Intervention Project. My name is Ania Grimone and I'm your host. And today we're going to talk about presence as a tool to eliminate stress. What do I mean? Stress, and especially anxiety, fundamentally depends on some other time. You're either worrying about the future or you're replaying the past. The beautiful thing is that anxiety does not exist in a present moment, because in order to be present, you have to tune in your senses. And your senses don't operate at any other time but present time. So you cannot hear, touch, smell, feel anything in the past or in the future. You can only do it now. So the moment you tune into your senses, you become present. And when you're present, there is no anxiety. So my challenge for you for this week is to practice acute awareness. Tune into your senses, into whatever it is, become acutely present to whatever it is that you're doing in the moment. If you're driving, focus on the steering wheel, on the butt warmer, on the hum of the air conditioning or music or cars in the background or in front of you. When you're in a business meeting, focus with 100% of your attention on the person speaking to you. Give them all of your presence, all of your focus. You will see that kind of interaction is going to give you very different results too. Whether you're cleaning the house, whether you're washing dishes, whether you're playing with your children, be there 100%. And at the end, notice what happened to your emotional state. I challenge you to make this practice daily, at least 3 minutes. Give me 3 minutes of that kind of focused attention, and then pay attention to how you feel at the end of this practice. Send me feedback. Let me know how it goes. I'm curious what you learn and what you find out. And tune in for the next episode of Life Blowup Prevention Project, or Project Intervention, whichever way. We're preventing blowouts. So come and tune in, and I wait to hear from you and what you've learned from this episode. Till next time.